Top of the morning, YouTube fam. What's good with y'all? Actually walking to work from the house. Been had a busy couple weeks at the shop. We finally got some milling for the driveway in front of the shop parking lot. Man, some rain come in after hurricane, and we just had it so muddy and sloppy out here. Man, it was so depressing. We couldn't get in or out the shop without getting the car stuck. But now we got some milling out here, and it got real hard, and I think this is exactly what we needed. We're gonna eventually get some more and finish out the rest of the driveway. But yeah, this morning I'm working on a 1970 El Camino. The shop he had it at before. Had done some metal work, and I think they put quarter pounders on, and they put the inner structure in backwards. So the problem he having, he can't get a gas cap lid to mount. He had nowhere to mount the gas cap lid to. So what he did was he bought a inner structure and gas cap lid. Just cut out the whole piece around it, say about 3 inches around it, and we're gonna cut his out and weld that one in, and I'm gonna let y'all get a look at what we're gonna do this morning.
Even if it takes you 3 tries to pass, like your driver's test. Hey, it wasn't 3 times.
So this the piece he bought, and with the gas cap lid cut out of another vehicle. And this piece is what's backwards. They got this one in backwards, so he has nowhere to mount the gas cap to. So what we're gonna do is cut that out and keep from removing this whole quarter pounder trying to replace this piece. We're gonna cut this out and just weld the new piece in. He said he just wanted a gas cap door on there. Kind of lost interest in it, but he was headed. Nice deal overall. Got a nice 6-up swap in there. Real clean, nice swap. 70 front end, double headlight. And he also owned this car too. This car he bought from my dad that we're doing. Which we got the floor pans cut out. And if anybody knows about dealing with these old cars, we're gonna run into problems. We got the floor pan cut out. Thought we was going back in with it, but he got more damage. So we're gonna have to go a little further up with the pan and replace that pan. And also we remove the cab. He got this damage up here. So this car's gonna need a whole lot of metal work. I think the only thing we probably be left with is the roof. Quarter pounders gonna come off. Everything, whole front cap. Gonna have a lot of new sheet metal on it. But we finna get to work. Need to cut off wheel and get this cut out. And cut y'all back on in a minute. I like my cool safety glass. Got it cut out. Now we're gonna clean it up, clean all the birds up and test fit it. Yes, sir. Right back the next day, next morning. We got that gas cap knocked out. Let y'all get a look at it right quick before my camera die. That's what they ordered. That's all they wanted. But wait, got them in there. So let y'all get a look at this 6.0 we got in here. He almost home with it. Interior, paint, and put it back together, clean it up. I think he said he got to do some more wiring. He got a center console, radio type of stuff. Got to tighten up, get together, but he got almost done with it. 6.0 talk. Yeah, it's starting to rain out here now. Yep, hope y'all enjoying the content. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, family.